So today is another clean day of the floors. I have been able to go across these floors and they don't look clean because I haven't mopped them yet, but I'm going to do that next time. But I've scraped them all out. I've used the vacuum there to clean everything and suck out as much as I can. Cleaned up all of the vents over here. They're all filled with junk. So we're getting there. Just a slow process, not a lot of stuff that you can see happening, but the floors in here the same way. Got them all cleaned up and got all the junk off of them. Pretty much it's getting to the point where we're losing the smell. Kitchen, did a quick clean on the counters. They actually come out pretty clean, so I'm happy with that. Right now my plan is to go back and probably paint these these cabinets. They're all in nice solid wood cabinets. They look pretty good. Maybe replace some of the hinges on some of the ones that are messed up. But like I said, they're pretty good overall. So I'm hoping that that will work. We'll take and clean the whole area up here really good. Probably take out this floor, put a new one down, and get the whole place into back into shape again here. So hopefully that'll all be taken care of. Yeah, next time I'll finish up the mopping in here and probably clean the bathroom in there, and then I can start doing some construction. Hopefully all of these things will work. All right, have a good day.